Are you tired of losing track of important emails in your Gmail inbox? In today's video, I'll show you how to save crucial messages in seconds using Gmail's built-in tools so you never miss important information again. By the end of this guide, your inbox will be organized, stress-free, and fully under control. The easiest way to save important emails is by using the star feature. Look at your inbox and find any email you want to mark as important. On the left side of that email, you'll see a small star icon. Simply click it and the star will turn yellow, instantly marking this email as important. This little action ensures that Gmail knows which emails matter most to you. Now, once you've starred your emails, you might wonder where to find them all. On the left sidebar, click Starred. If you don't see it, check under the More section. Here, Gmail collects every email you've starred, giving you a single, easy-to-access folder for all your important messages. No more scrolling endlessly through your inbox to find that one email you need. If you ever need to unmark an email, it's just as simple. Click the yellow star again and it disappears. The email will no longer appear in your starred folder, giving you complete control over what stays highlighted. For even better organization, combine starring with labels or use Gmail search queries like is:*starred to quickly locate any important email, no matter how old it is. Using stars isn't just about saving emails. It's about reducing inbox stress, staying productive, and always knowing where your crucial messages are. So next time you get an important email, don't just read it, star it, save it, and access it anytime in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a more organized inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.